Sometimes, one email is enough to change your life. This is my story. Hi everyone, I'm Marco. I'm an architect. This is my office. I work here every day. I love my job. But today is a special day. This is my office. I have a big desk. On the desk, I have my computer, my pencils, and my projects. An architect draws buildings. I design houses, offices, and sometimes very big buildings. Every morning, I look at my projects. I draw lines, I measure distances, I think about spaces. It's not easy, but it's beautiful. At 9 o'clock, I start work. First, I check my emails. Then, I open my projects on the computer. Sometimes I work alone. Sometimes I work with my team. We look at the plans together.
Is this wall in the right place?
Yes, but this window is too small. An architect always thinks about details.
At 1 o'clock, I have lunch.
Today, I have a sandwich. It's good, but it's not pasta. I miss Italian food a lot. In the afternoon, I draw. I love to draw by hand. It's old, but it's special. When I draw, I think about the people who will live in the building. Is this room big enough? Is there enough light? A good architect thinks about people. Always. At 5 o'clock, the office is quiet. My team goes home. But I stay. I have one more thing to do. I open my email. There is a new message. The subject is, "A special project, Italy." Italy? I read the email slowly. Dear Marco, we have a big project in Italy. We need an architect. We need you. Italy. Rome, Florence, Venice. I look at the screen. I don't move. Then I smile. Sometimes one email is enough to change your life. So, what do you think? Should I go to Italy? Write in the comments yes or no. And if you want to follow Marco to Italy, subscribe to the channel. The next episode, Marco is at the airport. See you soon. Ciao.